Today we'll see the next topic, that is organ plane and polar representation. As we all know that xy plane, x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. If this one is x-axis, this one will be x dash, matlab negative of x. This one is y-axis, so this one will be y dash, negative of y. And this is origin. So when we are going to the right of the origin, we'll get positive numbers. When we are going to the left of the origin, we'll get negative number. Similarly, when we are going up from the origin, we'll get positive numbers, and when we are going down, we'll get negative numbers, because y-axis पे when we are going upward direction में जाएंगे तो we'll get positive numbers and y dash यहाँ पे negative numbers रहते हैं, right? Now, one thing we all know that if there is any number, any ordered pair, each and every ordered pair x and y, अगर कोई ordered pair of real numbers लिया, so in that case there will be unique point in xy plane. कोई एक point होगा for this xy के लिए unique point. Okay, we have taken this unique point A. ठीक है? Now, similarly, the complex number, अगर हमारे पास कोई complex number है z is equal to x plus iy, in that case also that corresponds to a complex number, the ordered pair x y. Okay, and xy ordered pair होगा, and that can be represented geometrically as unique point pxy. ऐसे हम represent कर सकते हैं, right? So in the xy plane, so what we'll do, we'll take one point that is p xy. But one thing, जब हम xy real numbers के लिए लेते थे, even ordered pair of real numbers when we are taking, we'll get real plane. Okay, xy plane वो real रहेगा. But in that case, when we are taking complex numbers, complex ordered pair of complex numbers के ordered pair when we are taking, in that case that will be complex plane, and उसी complex plane को हम बोलते हैं organ plane. Okay, that complex plane will be called as organ plane. Now we'll join this line and हम देखते हैं कि what we are getting. Okay, so if this line हम join करेंगे, so what will happen? Yeah, so this will be, and the value of this line will be equal to x square plus y square, 0 से लेकर p तक, because the distance of x axis, see x axis से इसका distance जो है, I mean y जो है, that is y, and x axis पे इसका distance is x. So pxy will be equal to the, this is hypotenuse, so it will be equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay, that we'll see later. हम polar representation में भी detail में देखेंगे. Now the next thing that we are going to talk about, what is the organ plane. Basically organ plane, when we are taking complex numbers ले रहे हैं for ordered pair, and we can there will be one unique point, that is p. We have taken unique point p that represent the ordered pair x and y, but it is a complex number, so ये complex plane होगा, and that complex plane is called organ plane. So basically the organ plane is the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its points. So कोई भी हम point organ plane में अगर हम लेते हैं, here if we'll take one point, so that will be also x and y axis, जो कि complex plane में we are taking organ plane में, so that will be a complex number. Each and every point represent the complex number. Okay, now यहाँ पे जो x and y, since x जो है real part of this complex number and y is the imaginary part of this complex number, ठीक है, we are taking y as the imaginary part of the complex number. It means x axis जो है, this axis is real and this axis will be imaginary. Okay, तो ये imaginary रहेगा. Now if we take one more point, so first of all we have to find out the distance of OP. So O and P, O is origin and P is the point. So distance of OP will be equal to square root of x square plus y square. Why? Because the complex it will be equal to the modulus, and that is equal to that is equal to the modulus, because we are finding out the distance between distance between O and P. So that will be square root of x square plus y square, and that is equal to modulus of z. Okay, now it means ये जो point O है, O point का coordinate 0 0 है, P पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स x y है. ओके, वील टेक वन मोर पॉइंट. अगर हम Q लेते हैं वन मोर पॉइंट जिसमें x एंड माइनस y रहे. ओके, या फिर माइनस x या y ले लेते हैं. ओके, चलो x एंड माइनस y हम लेते हैं. इट मीन्स y नेगेटिव दिस साइड. Okay, so what will happen? Again we'll join this and this. Okay, so what is going on? This is everything is, this is Q and x distance is same, so we'll write x and y is negative. उतनी distance हमने ली, it will be minus y. Okay, so complex जो geometrically we are representing the points, this point is the mirror image of the P point. Okay, so this is all about the Argand plane. Now we'll talk about the polar representation. Polar representation we'll see now. If we'll draw a circle, okay, and if this point is P, we'll not write x, y. Instead of that, we can write z. That is complex number. Okay, so complex number z is equal to basically x plus I y. Okay, so we instead of x y directly we can write z. P z हमने लिख दिया. Now अगर हम consider करते हैं this angle is theta. Okay, now what we have to do, हमें join करने हैं ये points. Now we'll join this point. Straight line, we'll see one straight line and it will be, this line is okay, this is one straight line and this distance, ये distance हमें x लेना होगा, this distance should be y and this distance, as we know that this is x square, I mean square root of x square plus y square, that is equal to modulus of z, and basically हम इसे r ले सकते हैं because this is the radius of this circle. Okay, so r, and that is equal to modulus of z. Now as we all know that sin theta का वैल्यू क्या होता है, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta का वैल्यू क्या होता है, b, base upon hypotenuse. Okay, so now in this case what will be the value of sin theta? Sin theta will be equal to p upon h. So what is the value of p? Perpendicular is y upon h. H का वैल्यू क्या है, r. And similarly cos theta is equal to b, base. Base क्या है, x divided by hypotenuse, that is r. Okay, so can we write like this, y will be equal to r sin theta and x will be equal to r cos theta. लिख सकते हैं. This is the polar representation of number. Okay, complex number. ठीक है, so how we can write z को, z is equal to x plus iy है, so we can write z is equal to r sin theta, r cos theta, because x is equal to r cos theta plus iy, so I into r sin theta. Okay, now r we can take common, so z will be equal to r common लिया, cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, when we are writing z in this form, okay, so that will be called as the polar representation. ठीक है, polar form of a complex number. Okay, so and r, you know what is the value of r? This value क्या होता है, r is equal to modulus of z, and that is equal to square root of x square plus y square. ठीक है, so this way if sin and theta is also given, in that case also you can find out the value of z. So z can be represented by a complex number, that is, and that can also be represented as polar form. Complex number ko we can write in the polar form. Okay, so now we'll do sums based on this one. If we have a question given z is equal to 1 plus I root 3, okay, and what we have to do, we have to convert it into a complex, polar form में we have to convert this complex number. So first of all we need to find out r का value is modulus of z, that is equal to 1 का square plus root 3 का square. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so r का value is equal to 2 मिला. Now z can be represented as r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, and r का value is 2. Cos theta will be equal to, what will the value of theta? How we can find out the theta? Cos theta is equal to y upon x upon r. Okay, so here cos theta will be equal to x upon r and sin theta will be equal to y upon r. Okay, so x का value is 1 and r का value is 2, 1 upon 2, and sin y का value is square root of 3 and divided by 2. So what is the value of which value? I mean sin theta का by 2, तो cos 60. So cos 60 can be written as pi upon 3 and I sin pi upon 3. ठीक है? So how we can write this? We can write this z is equal to 2 cos pi upon 3 plus I sin pi upon 3. Okay, this way we can write. Okay, now in some cases if theta is given and you have to find out z, that's okay. In some cases z is given, जैसे इस case में z was given and you have to find out the value of theta. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.